Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a fantastic innovation in agriculture, that is non-woven crop covers. If you are a farmer or a gardener, you are going to love what we are going to share. Non-woven crop covers are a revolutionary solution for protecting crops from various environmental factors while promoting healthy growth. Made from synthetic fibers bonded together through a process that doesn't involve weaving. These covers offer a range of benefits for farmers. Non-woven crop covers create a microclimate conducive to plant growth. They act as a barrier against harsh weather conditions such as frost, wind, and excessive sunlight. Additionally, these covers provide protection against pests and insects, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. One of the standout features of non-woven crop covers is their durability. Despite being lightweight, these covers are incredibly tough and can withstand prolonged exposure to the elements. Moreover, the breathable nature of the fabric prevents overheating, which creates a comfortable environment for plants. So, we can conclude that non-woven crop covers are a game changer for modern agriculture. Whether you are a commercial farmer or a backyard gardener, investing in these covers can significantly improve your crop yield and quality. So, why wait? Try them out and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content on farming and gardening. Until next time, happy farming!